In this video, I'll detail how to set clock on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max in the iPhone 12 series, exactly like this, then this video is going to show you how to set clock on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can also apply this to all the iPhone 12 series. So if you discover that your iPhone 12 Pro Max time is wrong, and then you want to set it, or you can confirm this on your iPhone 12 lock screen like this that the time is wrong, then this video is going to show you how you can easily set the time to match the exact clock of your choice. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set clock on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Then once you're on General page, scroll down. Locate date and time and click on that. Now once you selected date and time, you should see your iPhone time is it 24 hours or 12 hours time. Then is the time set automatically or not? If it is set automatically, you may want to disable this. If you want to set your preferred time by choosing your time zone and then set the time here, then click on time, then come here and search for your time. So let's say you want to go with the Australia time. So just search for Australia here, then select any of these cities from Australia, then click on that. Then you should see the time set to this on your iPhone. You see that? However, to set your iPhone clock to your current network time or network provider's time, all you just need to do is tap set automatically. Then once tap set automatically, you should see the time change to whatever it is on your network provider's time, and the time zone changed to current location on your iPhone. So this is exactly how to set clock on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.